Hello everybody, welcome back to the baking aisle. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my ultimate chocolate cake. This cake calls for a different kind of method and it's called the reverse creaming method. It's very easy and simple. Let's get right into it. In this stand mixer, I am going to be adding 220 grams of granulated sugar. And to that, I'm going to add 200 grams of cake flour, 70 grams of Dutch processed cocoa. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then I am going to add 120 grams of cold butter, and I've also cubed this butter to help the process. So I'm going to add my poof protector because I don't want the flour to poof all over the place, and then I'm also going to use my paddle attachment. I'm going to start slowly. Once you have this sandy consistency, you know you're there. So the next thing is for me to add all my wet ingredients, and I'm going to start with 175 ml of brewed coffee. I'm going to add half a cup of warmed milk, and this is full fat milk. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3 whole eggs. These eggs are at room temperature. I'm going to bring down my mixer and I'll start mixing gently. See how liquidy this mixture is? That's what you're looking for. And I'm going to give it one more go. Looks like we're there now. So I am going to divide this into my pan that I have already prepared. And as usual, when I bake chocolate cakes, I like to prep my pans by adding parchment paper to the bottom and of course lightly dusting it with cocoa powder. Now that helps the cake to release when it's done and also adds some awesome flavor to it. As a final step, I am going to be adding half a cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to divide it between the 2 pans. I'm making sure I'm spreading it all over. And now I'm going to do the usual thing of tapping down the pans. Guys, I'm going to be baking these babies in my preheated oven that I've heated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 25 minutes and 40 minutes. These cakes are ready, and they have been sitting in this pan for about 5 minutes. I am going to transfer them to this wired rack to cool completely before frosting. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. And when you do, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much again, and see you in my next one.